We have looked at dereferencing before. In our lesson, we mentioned that we would look at subjects such as deref and DerefMut later on. You can review the deref trait topic from our previous lesson. For the DerefMut trait, you need to be familiar with that subject. Now, let's start examining the DerefMut trait. The DerefMut trait enables a type to be converted to a mutable reference. In this way, it allows a change on the type when dereferencing is done. I want to explain this with an example. Let's make our variable mutable with the keyword mut and set its value to 30. The error we get mentions that the DerefMut trait must be integrated into our type in order for this assignment to take place. To reiterate, in order to integrate DerefMut into our types, the deref trait must be applied first. There is no need to specify the type as in the deref trait because DerefMut knows that we have defined the trait in deref. Therefore, we can continue by creating the DerefMut function. The DerefMut trait is especially useful when using smart pointers. To summarize, the DerefMut trait provides the functions necessary for a type to act as a mutable pointer.